Okay guys, and here it is. It's been a couple of hours. I want to show you. I had to put in a plastic bag because my cream cheese was already drying up on top. I was getting a skin which I didn't like, so I gave it a good mix. But I want to show you. It really doesn't take long if you want to have fast cream cheese. And I'm going to show you the texture. Look at the texture of that cream cheese, guys. And this was so easy and so fast to make. And look at that. Talk about perfect texture for this cream cheese. Just remember that when you I covered it with paper because I wanted it to firm up quickly. As soon as I firmed up to the texture that I like, then I put it in a plastic bag so it would be easier to, it wouldn't dry up so fast. But look how beautiful. Some delicious cream cheese, and basically with stuff that you have at home. And there is some delicious blueberry jam, and I'm gonna have to make Erica try it also, but I want to try it first. My Lord, you would never know there's potatoes in there. Just so good. Really, really good. And the next recipe I'm going to show you guys, I have to make, as you could tell, it's almost all gone. All the jars I made are gone. So I'm going to have to make some more blueberry jam for my daughter. But look how beautiful, and look at that texture. I'll be right back. My God. I had to wash this because I double dipped. So as soon as Erica gets here, I'm going to make her try it. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the texture of this. Too bad I had to mess up my jar. Next time I'm going to put it straight into a plastic bag so it's going to firm up, or even a Tupperware. It's going to work even in a Tupperware. Not sure if she wants to eat it off of this. Look at the texture. Erica, do you want it off the naan bread or do you want it on crackers?
Crackers.
You want to get them? And you know what? I could have even used just a little extra liquid. Just a little extra. I try not to put too much because I want it to get nice and thick. You want to try it, Erica? That's for me.
I'm just going to have the cream cheese.
Yeah, let me know what you think of the texture. What do you think?
Beautiful.
Beautiful texture? You're not having any jam? Is it good? Yeah? How's it taste on the cracker?
Very good.
And the texture of the cream cheese came out nice? That little bit that you saw there is part of the potato. There you go. How beautiful. So there you go. If you give this a try, come back, let me know what you think. And I'm going to say I love you. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Remember, always put love and compassion in your meal. And it's always going to be delicious.
For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Connie's RAWsome Kitchen, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends.